Hello everyone. Today I'm reading book Lily the Cat in my neighborhood. Lily the cat. Lily the cat woke up from her nap. She jumped down from the bed. She saw the door. She walked through the door. She saw a room. She crosses the room. She saw a chair. She circled the chair. She saw a table. She toilet under the table. She saw the couch. She jumped up on the couch. She saw Jack's lap. Lily curled up on Jack's lap to nap. My neighborhood. This is my neighborhood. There are houses in my neighborhood. There are streets in my neighborhood. There is a school in my neighborhood. There is a park in my neighborhood. There is a library in my neighborhood. There is a fire station in my neighborhood. There is a grocery store in my neighborhood. There is a bakery in my neighborhood. I love where I live. Goodbye everyone.